This week, our SmartBook and Connect assignments cover Chapter 7, Decision Making. Decision making is the formal process of identifying and choosing between alternative courses of action. We will explore several key frameworks, including rational versus non-rational models. Managers often strive for the four-stage rational model to find their optimal solutions, but they must also understand non-rational models like intuition and satisficing, which account for real-world uncertainty. Modern tools. We will look how organizations use evidence-based management, big data, and artificial intelligence, or AI, to bring objective analysis to their choices. Individual styles and biases. You will learn about the four decision-making styles: directive, analytical, conceptual, and behavioral, and the 10 psychological biases that can hinder quality decisions. Group dynamics. Finally, we'll discuss how to leverage the advantages of group decision making while avoiding pitfalls like groupthink and goal displacement. These are the following requirements and deadlines to keep in mind for this week's work. SmartBook, you can work on this till you reach 100%. They are not accepted late, so complete them by the due date. Chapter quiz. You have only one attempt and the quiz is time limited, and they are also not accepted late. PlayPosit. This weekly assignment focuses on the specific subject from Chapter 7. All SmartBook tasks, quizzes, and PlayPosit assignments open on Saturday of the previous week and are due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. This gives you a 9-day window to complete your work. The group project and written presentation are due at the end of next week. At this stage, your team should have finalized your ethical approach, completed research on the legal, HR, and management requirements, and developed a working draft of both the paper and the PowerPoint. Use the upcoming week to finalize your report and your presentation. So that way, next week, you can put the finishing touches on the report and you can record the presentation. Time moves quickly, so stay focused on the finish line. Let's take a look at what we have this week. We'll open the week 5 agenda. And we have the instructor guidance, and I'll open that up. And you're watching the guidance, and here's your deep dive podcast, which gives you overview of the chapter. Down here, I have some group project guidance. This is your presentation requirements. So if you select that, it's going to bring up the document that tell you the areas that you're going to have to pay attention to and what's going to be in the presentation that you'll have to put in your PowerPoint. And then we have how to record a Teams presentation. This is a video that will help you whenever you get ready to record your presentation. You'll be able to do that and save it as an MP4. Selected person can upload it on the assignment on Blackboard. Here we have designing a PowerPoint presentation. This will give you some tips on how to do a PowerPoint presentation that is functional and will serve you well. And then some presentation pointers here about how to set your camera up and the things that you need to do whenever you're doing the presentation on that. So these are all helpful. They're not very long videos, and I think that you'll find those to be helpful. And then we've got the PowerPoint for Chapter 7. We have SmartBook for Chapter 7 and the quiz for Chapter 7. And then we have the PlayPosit for this week. And I think that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. If you have any questions, you can contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.